DSA refer to the study of methods for organizing and storing data and the design of procedures, algorithms, for solving problems, which operate on these data structures. DSA is one of the most important skills that every computer science student must have. It is often seen that people with good knowledge of these technologies are better programmers than others and thus, crack the interviews of almost every tech giant. This DSA tutorial aims to help you learn data structures and algorithms, DSA, quickly and easily. The complete process to learn DSA from scratch can be broken into 5 parts. Learn at least one programming language, we leave this to your choice. Learn data structures, learn algorithms, learn about time and space complexities, practice the problem. Hoping you have learned a programming language of your choice, let us move forward with the next step to learn DSA in this DSA tutorial. Here comes the most important and the most awaited stage of the roadmap for learning data structure and algorithm, the stage where you start learning about DSA. The topic of DSA consists of 2 parts. Data structures, algorithms. 1. Learn data structures. Data structures are essential components that help organize and store data efficiently in computer memory. They provide a way to manage and manipulate data effectively, enabling faster access, insertion, and deletion operations. Common data structures include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs, each serving specific purposes based on the requirements of the problem at hand. Understanding data structures is fundamental for designing efficient algorithms and optimizing software performance.